Every year in the United States, on the 4th, on the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, on the 4th Thursday of November, families celebrate Thanksgiving. And today we are talking about Thanksgiving. Hello everyone, welcome back to English on Autopilot. And today we have a celebration to talk about. Thanksgiving. How do we celebrate Thanksgiving? Normally, families gather around a table. They gather around a table to eat, of course, to eat and to talk and laugh together. They laugh and talk, but the most important thing is the food. The food is the best part. But why do we celebrate Thanksgiving? Well, this tradition, what we do every year, it started a long time ago. Thanksgiving started in 1621, more than 400 years ago, a long time ago, in 1621. The English settlers that lived in the English colonies that were before the United States, the settlers, well, they weren't very happy. No, they were not very happy because they were very hungry. They wanted to eat. And in the English colonies, it was not easy to grow crops, to grow food. When they tried to grow carrots, for example, when they tried to grow carrots, the carrots, they died. And there was no food. But the Native Americans, the people that lived in the United States before the settlers, the Native Americans, also called Indians, they are also called Indians, they were very good at growing crops and also fishing. Also, they were very good at catching fish. They were experts at catching fish. And the Indians, the Native Americans, they helped the English settlers. These Native Americans were part of a tribe of many people. And the tribe was called the Wampanoag tribe. Well, after helping the English settlers, they were very happy because they could eat fish, they could grow crops, and hunt animals. And the settlers, they sent an invitation, to the Wampanoag tribe to eat. And the entire tribe, they came to eat with the settlers. And the settlers were very thankful. Thank you for helping us. And they invited the Wampanoag tribe to eat to say thank you. Thank you. Thanksgiving. The settlers wanted to give thanks to the Wampanoag tribe. And every year, this tradition continued. But in the first Thanksgiving, where they ate corn and roasted meat, it wasn't called Thanksgiving. However, we today call this the first Thanksgiving. Over the centuries, in the 17th century and in the 18th century, different states of the United States celebrated Thanksgiving. They celebrated Thanksgiving, but on different days, not the same day. Families, they celebrated together, and they ate food and celebrated. But it wasn't until a very important president that everyone in the US celebrated on the same day. In 1863, Abraham Lincoln, a very famous president, he decided and he created a national holiday across the nation. All of the United States would celebrate Thanksgiving on the 4th Thursday of November. And since 1863, we have celebrated on that day. But how do we celebrate now? How do we celebrate in 2025? Well, in the morning when you wake up, normally people, they watch TV. They watch the Macy's, the brand, the shopping, the clothing store, the brand Macy's, their Thanksgiving Day parade. And it is huge. People watch it on TV. They watch the parade. Or they watch American football. There is always a game on Thanksgiving. Then people sit at the table. They sit together at the table to eat lunch. Thanksgiving is normally a lunch, but later. Normally people eat at 2 to 3, around there, from 2 to 3 p.m. in the afternoon. And what do we eat? Well, of course, we eat turkey. We eat turkey. Actually, I don't like turkey unless it has gravy on top. Oof, that is good. And we eat mashed potatoes and mashed sweet potatoes. Oh. And of course, bread and vegetables, especially green beans. When you eat with your family and everyone is sitting down at the table, it is a tradition to say what you are thankful for. Every year, we, in my family, we say what we are thankful for. This year, I am thankful for all of you watching and learning English with me. Thank you for watching and for liking and commenting and subscribing. Thank you. Seriously, thank you. After the food, there is more food. Dessert. And the most famous dessert is pumpkin pie with whipped cream on top. Oof, it is great. After, sometimes people go outside. They go outside to play American football. They play football. Or they watch more football. Or a lot of people, they go and take a nap. They take a nap because it's a lot of food. And then, well, the next day, there's something very important, but you will have to watch the next video to find out what it is. Thanksgiving has changed a lot since 1621. It's changed a lot with football, the parade, and different food. But the idea is the same. The idea is not different. It's about sharing with other people, sharing food, sharing the table, and sharing laughs. What do you know about Thanksgiving? Have you ever eaten a Thanksgiving meal? Would you like to? Put it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to keep watching more videos of comprehensible input right here with English on Autopilot. We will see each other in the next video. Bye. Thank you, thank you, thank you.